Hello, Apple enthusiasts. Get ready for a groundbreaking announcement that will change the way you see the world. Apple is going to offer Vision Pro demos at its retail stores. I'm Ashikul Abir, and today we're thrilled to share some exciting news from the tech giant. Starting this month, Apple is bringing innovation to the forefront by offering Vision Pro demos at all its retail stores. That's right, you can now experience the future of technology firsthand. The Vision Pro is not just a device, it's a glimpse into what the future holds. With cutting-edge features like augmented reality, advanced facial recognition, and state-of-the-art display technology, it's a game-changer in the tech world. But here's the best part. You don't have to take our word for it. Head over to your nearest Apple store and immerse yourself in the Vision Pro experience. Apple is dedicated to providing you with hands-on demonstrations, allowing you to explore the device's capabilities firsthand. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or someone just curious about the latest innovations, the Vision Pro has something for everyone. Step into an Apple store near you, and our knowledgeable staff will guide you through the features, answering any questions. Apple's Vision Pro will officially launch in the US on February 2nd, and starting that same day. You'll be able to sign up to try the headset out for yourself at the company's retail stores, Apple said in an email today. Starting at 8 a.m. on Friday, February 2nd, we invite you to sign up for a demo of Apple Vision Pro at your local Apple store. Apple said in the email. Demo times will be available Friday through the weekend on a first-come, first-served basis. We can't wait to see you there. That language kind of makes it sound like Apple will only be offering demos through that first weekend of launch. Personally, I doubt that will be the case. I'm guessing Apple will want to give lots of people opportunities to try the Vision Pro for themselves. But I've asked the company if it can clarify. So mark your calendars, Apple fans. The Vision Pro demos are ready, and the future is waiting for you. Visit your local Apple store, be among the first to experience the Vision Pro, and take a step into tomorrow. Don't miss out on the next big thing. See you at Apple. And I've already made a reminder to try to sign up for a test at my local Apple store when February 2nd rolls around. You can pre-order the Vision Pro starting on January 19th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time.